Hello and welcome to another Chuk Takeaway. My name is Ellis and I'm one of the teachers at Chuk School. Today we're going to do some art. In Snowdon class we've been making some collages inspired by Wangechi Mutu. Do you want to have a go at home? Yes? Okay, here we go. Wangechi Mutu is a Kenyan-American visual artist known primarily for her collage, painting, sculpture, film, and performance work. Today, we're going to create a collage inspired by her pieces. First, look through your newspapers and magazines. What can you see? I see a person. Can you find eyes, nose, mouth, ears, hair, a chin? Next, cut out the facial features you want to add to your art. Then stick them down in the right place on your face. Eyes, nose, mouth. Now look through the magazines again and find some background images. Ooh, I love that orange fur. Now you can cut out the images you want to use in your background. Finally, stick down the background images behind your image of your face. Now look at your piece of work. What can you see? I see eyes, ears, nose, mouth. I like the ears because they're funny. I hope you enjoyed that. I can't wait to see all your art. Send it into the Chuk Twitter. Thanks. Bye.